Hey everybody, this is Roger from Roger's Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the Ricola versus the generic natural herb cough drops. And I don't know if you guys have ever went in the store and you see like the generic ones are looking closer and closer like the real ones. Like pretty soon you're not going to be able to tell the difference. And then even down to the wrappers. This is Ricola. And then this is, you can tell they're getting more and more identical. Down to the last little wrapper. So the Ricola is like a little over $2, and the generic ones are like $1. They both have 21 drops. I'm not sure the size is pretty much equivalent, but basically it's a natural type of cough drop. I really like the Ricola ones. They're like more of like a square when you get them out of the package, and they have like a little wrapper inside a wrapper, but they're basically almost like a square or a rectangle. Very strong, really hard. They were I like to chew on these all the time, not just when I have a cold. Been taking these and using them for years, and I don't know, I just like the flavor of them. I usually end up chewing them up. And these are the herbal, they have like a little bee on them. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these taste similar, but they're not as strong, and they're more of like a medicine-y taste than the Ricola ones have more like a herb taste. But I prefer the Ricola ones over the generic ones, the natural herb cough drops. But you want to save a buck or $1.15 or something. They're basically the same package, the same size, the same number of drops, 21. So it's up to you. I like the Ricola better. I'll spend the extra buck. But if you're cheap and want to save a buck, but you still like that flavor, you probably won't be able to tell as much unless you compare them side by side. But I think the Ricola definitely has a lot stronger natural herb flavor, where these are more of like a kind of like your a little bit of the same flavor, but more like a traditional medicine-y type taste in your the natural generic from Family Wellness. So anyway, this is Roger from Roger's Reviews, and the Ricola against the generic. I choose the Ricola. I give it Ricola a thumbs up, and if you're cheap, buy these. Thanks for watching. If you like this review, plus crush the like button, and I'll bring you more products, and hopefully this information will help you make a better buying decision. See you next time. Peace.